Welcome everyone. This video will be tackling the Myo-rep match protocol, giving you a step-by-step protocol of how to execute this. So starting off here, this is the initial set of 10 to 20 reps at an RPE 9.5. So this shouldn't be too different from any other set you may be doing. You're going to take it to near failure. Obviously for an accessory exercise like this incline curl, I could push this to really close to failure with really no injury risk here. And nearing the end, start tracking these reps. I think I'm on rep 15 here. You see it starting to slow down, but I'm just going to push this as hard as I can. If you do more than 20, weight should go higher. But that was all I had, 17 reps there. So this is going to function as essentially my standard set. I did, in this case, 25 pounds for 17 reps, and they'll do a full 2-minute rest. Now, after that rest, this will be my first Myo-rep match set. And the goal is to get as close as possible to 17 reps. Now, obviously, if I push that first set to really high intensity, I won't be able to match it with just one set because I'm a little bit fatigued. But I'll get as close as possible. And that's where you'll see these cluster sets come in, hence the term a Myo-rep match. So the goal will be to get to, in this case, 17 reps, as many sets as I need as necessary. So this is rep 9. You see the rep slowing down here. And rep 10, really eke that out. Now I will take a quick break, roughly 5 or 10 seconds. You don't have to be super OCD around the time. I kind of just counted 10 quickly in my head, and I'm going to jump back into the set, starting in this case at rep 11 will be my next rep here. Now you'll notice all these reps are really hard, which is one of the benefits of this. You get a lot of proximity to failure reps here. Rep 13, now I'm going to end. I know I need another set. So I call it, oh, never mind. I get rep 14, and now I call it. So again, I'm going to take another rest because I have not yet reached that 17 reps. So counting to 5, counting to 10. At this point, I know I just got to 14. I just got to get 3 more reps. I'm really confident I'm going to hit it in this set. And now eking out these final few, and you'll see how I'll then write the workout in my own notes, coming up here in a second. Final rep here to match that initial set at 17 reps. So this is how I would write this on my board: 25 pounds times 17, and then 25 times 10 plus 4 plus 3. So use that plus sign as a way to designate when you were to break. Now in this case, maybe you do 1 Myo-rep match, maybe you do 2 or even 3. So again, the way to clarify this again, you will rest 2 minutes after the full 17 reps have been completed. So each plus sign would be about a 5 or 10 second break, a full rest before jumping into the next set. And of course, make sure you just pay attention to your own notes. You may be prescribed 1 Myo-rep match set or 2 or 3 or whatever. And then again, you would just make sure you rest a full 2 minutes before the next one. So hopefully that helps with some visuals and also how to track it in your training log. And if you're prescribed Myo-rep match, enjoy the fun, enjoy the pain. Thank you.